Hello guys, this is Alex again, and this is a quick video that's been requested to do on a handbrake cable replacement or adjustment and how to put it back on a new caliper. So this is just real quick. I know this is 206 Peugeot, but I've been requested for Mazda, but the principle is pretty much the same. So all you have to do on this one is take this console off, one screw there, get it out, then just lift it and pull it off. Then this is what you need to do, guys. That's your handbrake adjustment. You can have it either under the car or inside the car. This one's 13mm. So what you do, just get 13mm span on it, undo it all the way to loose all the cables, and then remove the cables from the calipers. But you have to do it all the way so they all loose. And then you can remove them from there. It's easy to see how they come out. But obviously, if you're just doing the caliper, then the easiest option is to do it all the way. It will create a lot of loose cable on there, and then you can pull it off the caliper and put it back on. But there's also another way of putting the cable back on the caliper. If you just done the caliper, I'll show you now. The principle is pretty much the same. You got a lever that the handbrake pulls on the caliper, and once you squeeze the piston back in, you get a chance of pulling that lever manually. So I'm going to explain you how to do it. So like I said, this is the first option, to loose it up and then readjust it once you put it on back on. But make sure after readjusting you double check it, pull the handbrake on and release it, and make sure that the handbrake levers on the caliper go back to the rest position. So anyway, I'm going to show you the other way of doing it. So the other way is on the caliper, and that is, let me just check it out for you. So you can see where the cable goes. I mean, some of them you usually pull it down. This is quite common on the Peugeots, but normal calipers you pull the lever down. So I'm going to show you now what you need to do. There you go. That's the cable there, going in there. That one there. So once you release the cable, you pull this little bit out and remove the cable. But when you put it back on, you usually haven't got enough slack to get it back in. So what you'll have to do in this type of caliper, you have to obviously take the pads out, squeeze the piston in, and then you have to manually operate that lever. So you have to get a tool, grips, and pull it all the way there, get cable on with the other hand, and then release it, and then readjust the cable again. So hopefully this is going to be helpful and you'll manage to do it, guys. Like I said, some of the calipers got it there, so you just pull it down and get cable in it. Some of them got it sideways. If you need any more help, please let me know, and I'll make another video on a different car. This is the one I'm working on today, so I managed to do it just to help you out. Thank you much for watching. Subscribe, share it with your friends, and let me know what other help you need. Thank you guys, have a great day. Bye.